This was again released on Jharkhand Day. Jharkhand was celebrating his establishment day. Again self-congratulatory messages were happening around. Our front page said, और कितना समय चाहिए झारखंड को? So the point is, I am getting you to pause, think, participate and experience the product, because what happens after this is just not one ad. There is one complete editorial sequence that follows and says what are the things that we need to take this straight forward. So there is, if you look at it, we are into nation building. We are about credibility. We've got to rise above the ordinary. The biggest problem of Punjab, it's 65% of youth in Punjab are involved in drugs. There are families that are suffering, and there's a massive situation that we have in Punjab. We took on this issue. Obviously, I can't say that it's such a big, deep-rooted social issue or probably an individual issue per se that it is impossible to wipe it off overnight. But the least that we can do is come forward and make a little bit of a difference. If that difference is the 0.1% difference, we've created something. This was about co-creating advertising as an example that I had given. We normally used to, when we are conversing with our audience, if you look at Jagran, the core thought of the brand is about awakening to do something. And awakening has got different meanings. How you interpret awakening is yours. We invited our readers to write in with their moment of awakening. We got almost 20,000 stories. The editorial team sifted through that and shortlisted some 50-100 odd stories, created a column in the newspaper and ran those stories. We spoke to those people who gave those stories, we shot them and created a campaign. So this is a doctor in Kanpur, this is one person somewhere else, and those ads were being released. So when I say co-creating advertising, this is hyper-local advertising as an example. So this is how we connect with our audiences. If you look at, some of you probably are new in the system, don't know about much of this. There's a program called Sanskar Shala which we do with kids. If you look at it, newspapers overall, young generation reading newspapers is something that is always a tentative hook. People say ki pad rahe hain, nahi pad rahe hain, young generation not into newspapers. They're growing up in the age of magical screens, moving away from the paper. One of the fundamental reasons that we saw, one is of course opportunities available outside. The other important thing was that as a newspaper, there's a lot of value erosion that we are reporting. We're reporting crime, we're reporting this, etc., etc. Sometimes so-called undesirable content that parents don't want kids to get into. So we said, how do I create an environment or an island of positivity in this entire paper? Can I speak of value correction or value resurrection in the age of value erosion? This is where this program fits in. The parents want it, the schools don't have the time for it. Moral science as a subject has disappeared. So we looked at this program, and this again is just not one name. When you pick up the product, you will find it, you'll experience it in the editorial product. So it's a promise that it's a brand promise, manifest in the product experience. This is a youth parliament program that we've got. This is the recently concluded Ganga Jagran program. We didn't speak of telling people to say why clean the Ganges, etc. क्या करना है गंगा के लिए. हमने कहा गंगा का पानी प्योर पानी, जितना प्योर देवप्रयाग से है उतना ही प्योर गंगा सागर में बहना चाहिए. Are you up to the challenge? And I think people have come in support in millions if you look at the numbers. So I'm saying these are some of the ways in which Jagran as a brand connects to its audience. These are the hooks by which we create ourselves. This is the brand. This is one of my earlier presentation slides. The why of Jag. Why do we exist? We exist to shift the collective consciousness of people and transform lives to create a better world and a better future. Why? Because we believe an awakened individual is one who goes beyond the barriers of his own mind and he lives life in a larger context. It's about rising above yourself and doing something in the larger context. So this is it.